Welcome back to the channel. I got a new 1 minute scalping strategy. It's got the highest win rate on the channel so far after the back testing. But before I start that, go ahead and check out the Discord. I'll leave the link down in the description so you can join that. Everything's free. And keep everything updated in here. Some charting. We got the trade floor general. I post charts, trends, targets, all that stuff. Also have my trade recap every day. Haven't been posting in there. I've been paper trading some stuff to try out some new strategies. I also have a section where I have a bot built to trade crypto for me, so it'll be running 24/7. When I started it, I had it taking signals without any type of trend filter, so it lost over 50% of the account. So since I've added the trend filter, it's been doing a lot better. So I'll keep that updated in here. Look out for the video in the future of how I got that set up, but I'm using 3 commas to have those bots set up. Let's get into the strategy and what indicators we need. Alright, so the indicators we're going to need for this strategy are ATR bands by Alexander TH. We're going to click on that twice to add 2 of them. The next indicator is going to be 3 EMA by Victor Grego. And then the last indicator we're going to need is the stochastic RSI. It's just this one right here. So for the ATR bands, you're going to set the multiplier to 1 on both of those, on the upper and lower. And then on the second ATR bands indicator, we're going to set those multipliers to 2. And then on the 3 EMA, on the inputs, we're going to change the first EMA to 8, the second one to 14, the third one to 50. And I changed the colors to blue for the 8, yellow for the 14, and red for the 50. And then the settings for stochastic RSI are default 1433. Now let's go over some examples of some longs. Alright, so for a long entry, all these 3 EMAs have to be on top of each other. 8 has to be above 14, 14 above the 50. So the first thing we're going to look for is a cross up on stochastic RSI. It doesn't matter where it's at on here, just as long as there's a cross up, you're going to look at the trade. So once you get that cross up, make sure all the other conditions are met. We have 8 above 14, 14 above 50, and we have the candle close above all 3 EMAs. So this entry is valid. You're going to set the stop loss to 2 times the ATR, and you're going to set the take profit to 1 times the ATR. So on this one, the target is hit. Now let's go over a short. So for a short entry, we have a cross down on stochastic RSI. If we look up here, we have the 8 is below the 14 and the 14 is below the 50. So our conditions are met on this candle here. So we're going to take a short here. Set the stop loss to 2 times the ATR. Take profit to 1 times the ATR. And our profit target is hit on that one. So now we're going to test this 100 times, and I'll show you the results at the end of the video. Alright, so here are the results. This was tested on the 1 minute time frame on the Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures. Risk to reward was 1 to 0.5. The number of wins was 76. Number of losses was 24, giving us a 76% win rate. The time taken for the 100 trades was 5 days, and this is just trades taken during regular market hours. None were taken in the after hours session or overnight session. Most wins in a row was 9. Most losses in a row was 3. Gain on the account, if you're risking 1%, is 14% gain, and if you're risking 2%, 28% gain on the account. So let's go over to the spreadsheet. So this is in last place as far as gain on the account, but if you're looking for an aggressive scalping strategy with a high win rate, this will be it. I'm probably going to paper trade this next week because I've been trying to find something that gets me more than 2 or 3 trades throughout the day. So I'm going to paper trade this next week and see how it works out live. But that's it for the strategy. So 1 to 0.5 risk to reward, risking 2% per trade, gives us a 28% gain on the account. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. Let me know if you have any strategies you want me to test. And that's it. Have a good one.